Hey, how's it going, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm actually going to be testing a new automotive product that I've been hearing about. So for this video I wanted to test out Sonax's Profiline Polymer Sealant. For comparison, I'll be using the Chemical Guy Snow Foam Wash as a control, as they do not have any hydrophobic properties, and then Griot Ceramic Wash and Coat, which does claim to have hydrophobic properties. Then as you can see here, this is Sonax's Profiline line that I was able to pick up from Advanced Auto Parts. According to Sonax, this product should provide hydrophobic properties and protect your vehicle from UV rays. As a quick disclaimer, none of these methods will be as effective as ceramic coating, but if you're on a budget, these products may just be the next best thing. So for this test, I'm going to be dividing the test area into three. The first two, I will be using control wash, and then for the last section, I will be using Griot Ceramic Wash. And you can see how I divided it up here. Lastly, I will be applying the Profiline to the middle section. The Profiline is relatively simple to apply, and you'll just need a sponge or microfiber cloth. After letting it dry, you'll just need to buff it off. For this scenario, I put on 2 layers of Profiline and then let it cure for about 30 minutes before continuing with this test. So let's go ahead and get started with this test. First, with the control test. Second, the ceramic wash. Third, the Profiline. Now let's compare the Profiline with the ceramic wash, and then with the control. Let's try to stimulate some heavy drops of rain. Next, I'm going to see how effective the water beading is. Now to try the bucket test. Now in slow motion. Alright, so that will be it for this video. I'll let each one of you guys come up with your own conclusions or opinions on whether the Profiline is worth the extra cash. In my opinion, it may not be worth it considering that the ceramic wash is just as good. However, if it is able to provide more UV protection, then it may just be worth the investment. And that's it. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like or comment down below. And as always, if you guys want to see what happens next to XT, the 8060, the 50, or the Macan, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.